I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nacho Grande. First, select a large, oven-safe platter or baking sheet. Spread a generous layer of your favorite tortilla chips evenly across the surface. Next, brown 1 pound of ground beef or turkey in a skillet over medium heat. Once cooked through, be sure to drain any excess fat to prevent soggy nachos. This foundational step ensures your nachos are perfectly crisp and delicious. Now, let's add some cheesy goodness. Evenly sprinkle about 2 cups of shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese blend over your tortilla chips. Next, distribute the seasoned ground meat over the cheese layer. For extra flavor and texture, scatter 1 can of drained black beans and a 1/4 cup of sliced jalapenos across the nachos. This layering technique ensures every bite is packed with flavor. It's time to get those nachos perfectly melted. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your nacho platter in the preheated oven and bake for about 10 minutes, or until the cheese is completely melted and bubbly. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. Once out of the oven, garnish generously with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, and a spoonful of salsa for a vibrant finish. Your delicious Nacho Grande is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately while the cheese is warm and gooey. You can also offer extra toppings on the side, such as guacamole, pico de gallo, or more jalapenos, allowing everyone to customize their plate. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Nacho Grande with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.